Hi, it's Lynn. Welcome to this week. This week we are going to be covering Chapter 5, which is Exponents and Polynomials. So, first order of business, we have a test coming up. The test is going to cover Chapter 4, which is what we did last week, and Chapter 5, which we're doing this week. So this week's stuff will be on the first test, which is coming up very soon. So this week, just like the other weeks, we're going to do sections 5.1 and 5.5 and then 5.6. 5.6 is dividing polynomials, which tends to be a little more involved for some people. Just like last week, there's a video for these sections. There's lots of videos for you to watch. You get credit for those. Then in my math lab, you do the homework and the quiz for those sections. Again, there's discussions. I really liked how some of you were answering questions. I'm going to try to put some questions on there like I did this week. This week, I want everybody to pick a really hard problem, a good problem that you think may come up on the test, something that really think would help people. And I would like you to post the problem, take a picture of it or a screenshot or whatever, and I want you to do the first step in the problem and explain the step. Then I want you to give a hint on what to look out for in the rest of the problem. Then after you do that, you go and you find another person's problem that they have just put the first step, and I would like you to finish that problem. So when you do that, then you post another problem. So I want to have a lot of problems available for you guys to do. So post a lot of problems. Post 2, post 3. Remember, the more you post, the better grade you get on discussions. Also, there's Dropbox assignments. It's how to prepare for a test. And I also wanted to remind you, there is a multimedia library in my math lab, and there are study reviews for the tests. So you can go in there and look at videos for examples. Now, I wouldn't just sit and watch the videos. I would look at the example, stop the video, try and do the example, see how far you get, see how much you know, see where you get stuck. If you get stuck, look at the video, then maybe stop again and then see if you can do it yourself. You need to be able to do it without help. And also, just watching doesn't help you learn. So you need to actually do it. So that's my tip on how to study for your exam. There's also, with the test coming up, you have a handwritten review that you need to turn in with the test, and that is on D2L. So good luck with this week. The tests on Chapter 4 and Chapter 5. Check the dates, get your math, set aside some time in your calendar to make sure you have enough time to finish the exam. So I'll see you next week.